migraine, an underdiagnosed condition. There are many symptoms that may lead both patients and physicians to diagnose sinus headache instead of migraine, including weather triggers, nasal and ocular symptoms, and sinus pain and pressure. However, new clinical data and insights show that these same features are common during migraine attacks. In a clinic-based study that assessed migraine triggers, 46% of patients reported weather as a trigger for their migraines. Barbanti and colleagues studied the incidence of autonomic symptoms such as nasal congestion, lacrimation, and rhinorrhea that accompany migraine headaches. This study found that in 177 consecutive patients diagnosed with migraine, 46% experienced at least one of these autonomic symptoms during a migraine attack. The frequent occurrence of these sinus symptoms during a migraine attack is a key factor that explains why migraine can be mistaken for sinus headache. In order to explore the question of whether sinus headache is actually migraine, Schreiber and colleagues conducted a study among 2,524 physician-diagnosed or patient-described sinus headache sufferers. To be included in the study, patients had to be between 18 and 65 years of age and experience at least 6 sinus headaches during the 6 months prior to screening. Patients were excluded from the study if they had a prior diagnosis of migraine, more than 15 headache days per month, evidence of a sinus infection, or previous exposure to triptans. Remarkably, only 4 patients were excluded for sinus infection, which strongly supports the belief of specialists that the occurrence of episodic headaches due to sinus infection is rare. As part of the study, patients described the symptoms of their headaches as well as satisfaction with their current headache therapy. Using IHS criteria, physicians diagnosed patient headaches based on the symptoms they described. The study revealed that 90% of the patients experienced headaches with symptoms meeting IHS criteria for migraine or migrainous headache. The results also showed that for many patients, their migraine headaches had symptoms typically associated with sinus headache, including sinus pressure, sinus pain, nasal congestion, rhinorrhea, watery eyes, and itchy nose. In some migraineurs, sinus symptoms occurred more frequently than the traditional associated symptoms of migraine. This study supports the idea that most sinus headaches are migraine in disguise. Consistent with the fact that their migraine headaches had been mistaken for sinus headaches, patients commonly reported using antihistamines, decongestants, as well as nonspecific pain medications. 66% of patients indicated that they were dissatisfied with their previous therapies. 24% were satisfied. 10% felt neutral. With this in mind, in order to diagnose and treat migraine effectively, it is critical to review current research regarding the pathophysiology of migraine and its relation to migraine pain and symptoms.